Well, here goes the first snowstorm of 2022. As you can see, there's still grass. Let's see what happens in an hour. I got the tractor over there, right there, ready to go. Seats flipped up, bucket is down, ready to do the plowing in the morning. Yeah, expecting about 5 inches tonight. Let's see how it goes. All right, it's in full effect now. It's starting to come down pretty good, as you can see here. It's about 6:30, and probably by about midnight we will have a good amount of snow down here. You can actually still see the glow of the fire that was in the garage there when Russell was working on his mom's van's new radio. So we'll keep you guys posted.
Hello everybody. Last night it snowed.
So we live in Northeast Ohio.
Yeah.
Ah, you could really see it coming down.
On my face.
And it is morning. The animals still need care. It doesn't matter if it's a snowstorm or not. We still have to go and care for them and get their water unfrozen. Yeah. So we are on our way to the chickens. But we figured we would take you guys along, if you can see here.
Enjoy the snow without being in it.
I think they said we got about 7 inches.
It's up to my knee, basically.
Yeah.
And like, of course, that's when it like.
Yep. And again, you see proper gear if we want the kids to be able to go outside and take care of animals with us. Snow pants that are good, boots. These gloves are waterproof and for winter. Hers are purple.
Yes.
Mine are like a deep burgundy.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go find these chickens. We're gonna see if they like the snow or if they don't. Last year, they took one look at the snow and were terrified of it. It was hilarious. So we are going to video that for you guys and see what they do.
Chicken comedy. It's the chickens.
Yeah, chicken comedy, exactly. They keep us laughing. Oh, there we go. Look at this drift. Go ahead, walk across the drift. Show them how. Oh, so much fun. It's really deep over there. Oh, I'm so glad we got snow.
I know, it's so pretty.
That's so much fun.
Look at that dent.
All right, let's go see if these crazy chickens want to come out and play in the snow or if they say no.
Snow or no?
Yeah, snow or no. All right, let's see what these chickens think. There's our raccoon-proof latch.
Just basic
Yeah.
latch. This is hard to do close.
It is. I might have to get the door for her. Let's see. Oh, she's strong.
Strong.
All right. Let's see what these chickens think.
Hi guys. Whoa, that's impressive.
Be nice. Let's see.
The snow's not gonna hurt her.
I don't think she believes you.
She's like, you done?
Let her go back inside if she wants to go back inside.
Go ahead, Sophie. I don't think she knows she could. Thanks for that.
So once again, I think these chickens are like,
We'll see what
you
they
crazy humans. Nobody is even coming to the door to check it out.
You guys sure? Come on. Really know that? You look fantastic. Oh, we got 2 eggs.
2 eggs, a whole 2 eggs.
Maybe more. No. All I'm seeing is 2.
Only 2 eggs.
But Phantom was sitting on them, so they're nice and warm.
Oh, that's good.
Phantom's the name of one of our hens. She's
One of the Americanas.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I don't think they're coming out, so
I'll leave the door cracked for them.
yeah.
I don't want it getting like too.
So now we have to go and unfreeze their water. Do you want to go bring their water out and let's show everybody how frozen it is overnight? I think today we're just going to leave the door closed once we're done with chores. So this is our water.
A pure ice block.
And it is completely frozen. Oh, no, not completely frozen. There's a little water in there still. But if you look,
got a cap.
you can see it's frozen in there. So we have to go and unfreeze that. And we'll be back.
Nice fun snowy day here at the homestead. Auntie Cat taking Dean for a ride.
So now that we're done with chicken chores and getting the chickens their fresh water, we get to come inside and play with these little ones. So we are trying to show you guys how big and how mobile they're getting. Aren't they so cute? And you can see the scale over there. We're going to give you an update on their weight in just a little bit, but I love seeing how different they are. If you noticed how they walked before, they kind of waddled and kind of drug their feet a little bit, and now you can see that they're actually moving like you would assume a rabbit would. A ribbit, yep. Like a rabbit would. And eyes are nice and open now, and they look like just the cutest little babies. Oh, that one's going behind the basket to hide.
Come here, baby. Look, they all just kind of came over to my legs.
They are. They love to snuggle.
And then
So today is the 17th. So they are 17 days old. So we got 2 weeks. 2 weeks now that they're old. 2 weeks old.
2.5.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, you are so sweet.
I'm really interested about this one's coloring because he's got a darker belly with whiter paws, and so I'm really curious how he's gonna turn out. Or she.
Or she. Yeah, we still don't know genders. Natalia has been trying to check to see if she can kind of tell, but it's still very, very early.
Okay. You all want to come and snuggle and stuff. You guys always want to not snuggle when I'm trying to get you snuggled. But now that I'm letting you play, you want to snuggle.
And you could see, I mean, they're getting more curious.
Yes. Oh.
Give them another 2 weeks, and they will be zooming all over the
Now
place.
we get to see babies.
Anybody who's had babies knows how hard it is to take care of 7 babies at once.
They keep running under the basket.
All right, maybe they want to go back in the basket.
Okay, guys. Okay.
All right, let them go back in the basket and let's weigh them.
1, 2. He's like ready.
3.
3.
Oh, careful, careful. That one doesn't want to go in. 4.
5, 6, 7.
All right, bring the scale over.
Stage.
So last time Sage was 4.8 ounces. Let's go ahead and let's get this. Did you turn it on?
No.
I hear that helps. Turn it on. You have to get the baby off. There we go. and then let it tear. There we go. Now put them on. So Sage.
Sage, buddy. Mom.
It's saying smaller,
I
so
don't think he shrunk.
I don't think he shrunk either. He looks really good. All right, take him off for a minute. Let's. All right, try again.
Because last time he was 4.8 ounces. There's no
I
way.
wonder if our scale is breaking. Where's Chunk the Hunk?
Chunky.
Chunk the Hunk was 6.7, 6.8 last time. Let's see.
Yeah, he's
Yep.
not 4 ounces.
So something is going on with our scale.
I can promise you guys, he is not 4 ounces. He is chunky.
Oh, look at. Maybe it's not.
Did you accidentally
tearing
tear
correctly.
it?
Tear.
No biting.
All right, try again.
Tear that hook. Nope.
Yeah.
Did we break our scale?
Maybe we need to do new batteries in the scale.
Here. What kind of batteries does it take?
All right, we're going to pause the video and we're going to try to figure out what's going on with our scale. All right, well, unfortunately, I'm not sure what's going on with the scale, so I guess a trip to Walmart will be happening soon to get a new scale. And we'll figure out what the actual weight of these babies is.
Yeah, the Midwestern Joys going to Walmart.
Yes. But for now, you can see, I think they're sleepy and they're ready to just go in their little huddle. If you want to see a hilarious photo, go to Instagram or Facebook and look us up and find the photo of the one baby with his feet all the way up in the air. It's hilarious. But just wanted to say have a great day and we will talk to you guys later. Goodbye.